Hey everyone, welcome back to Theya. My name is Joe Consorti. One of the most requested questions that we get often here at Theya is what happens if I lose the iPhone that's holding my Theya mobile key? Well, it's very simple. Here at Theya, in the app, we've integrated an iCloud encrypted backup to the iCloud Keychain, which is end-to-end encrypted. That way, no one has access to the information that is stored in the iCloud Keychain, even if someone gains access to your iCloud account. And that allows it so that the mobile key that is stored in your iPhone secure enclave can be backed up from your new iPhone as soon as you log into your iCloud, download the Theya app, and then perform a health check on your key that's inside of your vault. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do all of that right now. This is a fresh iPhone. I have uninstalled the Theya app and I have signed out of my iCloud. I'm going to go ahead and show you step-by-step instructions about how you're going to go ahead and restore your key that's backed up to the iCloud keychain back to your iPhone. So let's get started. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and open the App Store and I'm going to search for Theya. Now the app is titled Theya Secure Your Bitcoin right here. And here we are. I'm going to go ahead and click Get. Now I need to sign in to my iCloud account, obviously sign in with my Apple ID. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. First name, last name at gmail.com. Can't dox me. You already know my first name and last name. And we're going to go ahead and sign in. And then I'll type in my password here. Perfect. And now we're signed in. Now it's going to prompt you for two-factor authentication. I'm going to send the phone to my phone number, or the code to my phone number rather. And I have it. And then I'm going to type that in here. Now I'm going to not speed up parts of this demo because I want you to be able to follow this in real time instead of having to pause it. And so in this period that the app is going to go ahead and download, I'll once again explain a little bit more about how this works. And so a lot of people's reservations initially about, I need to type in my password once more. 15. Well, you know, two numbers that are in my password. All right. So we're good to go. While that's downloading, I'll go ahead and explain a little bit about how this works. So the mobile key that you generate on your Theya app, should you decide to use one, is stored in your iPhone secure enclave. We'd recommend to back it up to the iCloud. So your mobile key is kept in the iCloud keychain, which is end-to-end encrypted. So no one except you has access to the information that's stored in it. Even if someone gains access to your iCloud account, they won't be able to infer anything because the copy of your mobile key on the iCloud keychain is double encrypted using Theya's encryption key. So no one can gain access to it. Apple can't gain access to it. Theya can't gain access to it. Only you can. And so it makes it so that you have all of the security and peace of mind that comes with a hardware wallet, with the convenience of it being on your iPhone. And on top of that, if you choose to back it up to the iCloud keychain as you're setting up your vault, which we'd recommend you do, and if you're watching this video, you already have, you have the peace of mind knowing that if you do lose your key, you'll be able to restore it lickety-split, and it's end-to-end encrypted, so only you'll be able to access it. And just like that, the Theya app is downloaded. That was quick, so we're going to go ahead and log in. Now, I use my company email address for my Theya Vault, which you can also email me at anytime if you have any questions. Also within the app, there's a support feature, so feel free to reach out at any point with any questions, and either me or another member of the team will get back to you and help you sort out your problem. So we're going to go ahead and log in here, and now we've been sent a login link. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at my email. And again, like I said, I'm not speeding up any of this. I want you to see every single step of the way. And we have it right here. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And just like that, we're done. And so I'm going to log in using my passkey, and we're here. Okay, so this is a single key vault using my iPhone backup. Okay, excuse me. This is a single key vault that's using a mobile key on an iPhone. Now, what you want to do is very, very simple. All you want to do is go to, and this is the part where you're actually restoring your mobile key from the iCloud keychain. What you're going to do is go to Key Management, and then you're going to want to click Health Check. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to check whether or not your key is on your phone. And in this case, it's going to prompt you to restore the key from your iCloud. You do a key check. It's going to say that the key is not on this iPhone. And then all you have to do when the button comes up that prompts you, click restore from iCloud Keychain. And that's it. Your key is restored and now it is on this device. And now you'll be able to go ahead, fund your vault, sign transactions, do whatever you'd like to do with that. So that is the step-by-step process in just a little over 5 minutes of how you go from losing an iPhone that had your Theya mobile key on it to restoring it using the backup that's stored in the iCloud Keychain. Very simple. Remember, all you have to do once you sign back in, use the same email, is go to Key Management, perform a health check, and then click yes on the notification to restore it to your iPhone. So that's all for today's demonstration. Thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already, make sure you download Theya from the App Store. Your keys, your Bitcoin. Time to start taking your holdings seriously. And the easiest way to do it is with Theya. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.